Bema wo bibia ohu wo bema sa no awa no mfemfo ka
oba do wa ne nyem kan se me kwa ya mfi bisa mo sa na ya fa hin fa ni tu hu obi anim pa na ka o dem
me mema ye wo bibia ihu o mamu
se oye rich so oye poor se ne ho nya free try se oba obe unit
me papa bi ka chere me say ansa na obehu the caliber of oba no I just say we be na no akasa
oba anware ne ho bema na ware oba
Adoni e de bre bo Adoni e de bre bo
me aweza no
Adoni e de bre Adoni e de bre bo
me aweza no
tie Adoni e de bre kitchen
what is
pie jire dem yanyom o transitia ensemble ahwene pankasa
Truth of America
promote ka check kakra anka ye ya ne Ghana music industry ya yaka ye fancy tin ye jamaka backyard kitchen tin ye jamaka afeni avamo ya pa backyard
Bon arrivé
ba sister o French kapa o
c'est was la
French kapa
was la share I do minti se munya na mfa bintu mo
oh ya de fofo bi kura ba tun ye ni stone boy
okay
be jemu na nse enche bia
sao
ye bo kakra o Ghana Music Awards e ma Ghana for
no na mo perform here no
perform kakra ni stone boy e Ghana Music Awards ye hu tuma kakra che Ghana
oh okay
stone boy wa kwenti o miss me too kwan kakra fe na suma ba enti ye me hu stone boy baba Ghana na ye tumi akeka nyoma bom na ye tumi atwa video ni ye release e no
oh okay
two of enyoma ye wogu oni a wa adaka mu Ghana for pese ye EP no ye year period ya Ghana for sister
anyway Oguns ya say share bio so no say share na enkomodo so it's not backyard kitchens where sometimes enkomo na ebedie no etimi bo I mean etwa obi asam so eboa e kwan bi so enem ne mema kwan na share ma no ni ho it be me bi samu ade bi as young men sister me a banner warrior my experience and a banner relationship muso me experience but oba anware ne ho be man e warrior oba me pese me hu de e memma hu wo mamu a omu choose say we de me ware no we de me ne twi street what you say e de na memma hu wo mamu de select say oba we a machine de me because with him sometimes asema make him say mama njima no nsi bone ubetumi ehu oba bi na sebe na ho fe wo fom kakra enso hwe se bema odi na chi mfa ni nsi fom o hwe se bema odi chi krokro no sika wo fi aka ebebe bia so bi opeso tobi ma na yire dem ansa na wi atekra hu krokro ne yire no ebi kra na oni form onye kokko ehuni tuntum no kura ton senche hunani on se tuntum bu ahu tuntum nie shape nie animu nie nyame ne bo ye nyina de ne nso eda nso ebi wa de obehu no wa wu nipa wutum nya question mark even though asama mekem sema munyima no sibo ena atumi hu oba bi so a one be ma betna se abre achele aye adwuma nyina akosi tire bema no tumi gya no ka wa mfa bi hye no onwa no wo gya no makọ ware wo bi ohun no bi amretie mu ana bibi mfa to nam de ma ni nyina boil up to say bema wo bibi a ohun wo bema sa no wa no mfa ka mema matesa mota musomoka pamtwa wo ye wafo wo so nam kwan mu akọ ware na wo so se wo nam kwan ma na ana wonya nsimu
benam kwam
obu a wonsimu
benam kwam
wonya what my selection
Silva
utu nam kwam mate Oguns Gada oh munka mieni nkomo.
Number 1.
Hey, now I worry.
Number 1. Kasa o kan bibi say me enje wanu nsiboni, enje wanu nsiboni. Oba bi wa wo hwe nanim, na me anim ko hwe nanim a enye nkranhye. Bible say the ose say ye fama. Ntene de ho ana ye ko.
Yo.
Oba bi wa nanim ye nkranhye, me kwa ya mtu bisa mo say ah. Na ye fa hin fa ni tumi hu obi anim pa na ka o dem. Na warepa bi a wanya a ode kwa. Wa utumi kwhyen wa nkasa na wo ko no. But say na tie. Number 1, so ya hwa ade ni omo ho nya fe no. Omo ho brase ma mbema. Kakre bi no mo peja o mataba because ono ya kan to ni tim se no ho nya fe. Nti ono onam no. Fitini kwala bem to onam nyina no. Se me ho nya fe de ya ne ma memfa suba pa. Na memfa nante. Onhye be ma so. Mema ade ba akwa etiri.
Hey, na say.
Nana.
Mbacho worry.
Me worry about the experience na make kasa from experience. Mema ade ba akwa etiri. Eye oba ya opeja na taban. Men kwa osi bifia na ebe. Unya ukoka ose mema papa bi kura peme. Omunyaye.
Oh okay. Oba bi tumi kasa.
Oh, na no mutumi ka.
Na say na sa de enye kasa.
Sa kasa no. Na de bi o fele se opia mema frɛ no ntino. Wo de uja ne ne ya obenya obi ne ya.
Na kasa ti sambo san ko so audition ni team na.
Omu nana wo hiti a omu ndi aga omu kafie. Omu hiti a.
O shama na yo ya.
O kam won se wo de wo hu mbam ntinya abote ya men kasa na nim o ya de na enya kra jeje no so. But de na ho nya fe no. Ahobrasiem wo be ma no kra utumi se ade ya wo ye. Wo ya at fault. Why you born no? But the bones of the ahobrasem no ato no bo. No o kire so oh. Odo wo de mate. Fault no minim se emfimi.
Okay.
Is waka maji atum se oba no. Wo ja no ho akofo obi fofora. Okọ efofo na wakofo na no ho ofe no. Oba ya ade bi mu asen akai dada. Tantan na wo fie no. Nti utwu mu tan oba sen aba.
Sa ho.
Eno ye number 1. Number 2. Aha na mema no ya yefo no.
Mo ye dey.
Ye yefo.
Mo ye fun.
Yefo pa ha na ye yefo.
Nti mu hu se mo ye fun.
Na ye hu pa. Ye hu se ye yefo because oba no ho no. No ho nya fe. Nti wabre no ho ani. Apeni sika eguo. Why you fine boy lo shoe? Okwa wa kwa tale ho. Nti most of the time enye 100% say be man na di ni sika e toka amoba. Anodi ye japade amoba.
Ana person che say oba no woni sika dada. Ana be man na bem. Nti ya say odi ni sika krokro no a.
Eyo no ani sika na odi krokro no a. Won sa de nti. Nti ebe wi echie no. Ebe wi echie no. Na akoye say kasade. Kasade no ba. Kasade no ba ne de ji ade. Ono de no hunya fe wode kasade na eji o. But omo fe no. Omo nya yi no. Omo peje o mata ba nti be ma ne be dane meje akwa de ne hunya fe no otifie.
Ko selection e koma umpratwe mu right? Ko so no ba ntena dem da. Ohene.
Sister.
Yes.
Ya maybe o tata o mo se kunkun na school. So o mo bo hwehwehwehwe.
O mo sa buwe.
O mo bo hwehwehwehwe. Ani o maybe o ma utun se a situation tina o hu ni se ne nwa eta.
Okay.
Ba se utumi eji ni face that situation mo o se ne nwa efe. Na che maybe crampo a se be hu se o hu efe.
Okay.
So intima bebe na to be a situation eti sebi ememo another eyesight bi no to be for baby no be o ton eye sort of kwanche ibo so ba no o na ba ko jina baby no ba no be hunu na ge ni na hunu na o ton eye sort that's not obey me be na head e sisi no
be be say me twa adwen so ba asem aye kan ho asem say e den na mu hu wo emamu ana obamu ti ansa no wa waye no
me come see asemoso.
Okay.
So say obema bi hu oba. Na sebi obeka say ebia ne ho etan. Enti na oware no. Na ebia ewo ade bia wo hu oba no. Me mema ye wo bi hu o mamu.
Okay.
So me che no. Ye wo bi hu o mamu. Obema bi wo betumi hu oba. A say ebi ni fie. Enti na ebia oba no. Owo situation owo
me ka bia be ma no
no ba no o smart girl or no be ma ni bi on net class ano to say a child or class or bad crap would be my dear. But dear, the meaning if you no bano, sebita fracture. Want to mean yenny, so yen, and take your bano or Beman, debia, and one argument say, get away dear, that should be, say, Yami Boamana, ya chancer. No warren, sending Adrian Tiano. Minyano, and the coming home, ewa brabumua. Okay. Meneno, a baby. Sansuna, sister, Abia, your baby or what? Inside the struggle, maybe I also a benefit. It's Mutama more struggle. Ushiano, I'm almost almost struggle. And I'm moving out, though, at the map or home. It's the baby, or banner, or Bema, the team say, say, Bibi, Koye, Mammy Dachi be our bowie. Tama na me twice or tan na me ne den e hye to wenti obema bia ne sene of fast selection fa oba because emema me be wa sister na say we are ye fa ema e wa ahofeni but any ahotom any sene ene me nya adwene say ahoto so ka ho obema bi obi ti krom ha we nya oba wa abrochiri a oba bi obefa krom bi on fa serious no correct. Ana me papa the foot to the man into bia reason me foot to the man me me omo hwe yin abeche ne say o say de bia me ware ne wo pe no ba ware ne opewo na munu so no on this note na me say atwuma adwuna besi so say memma emayi odo adp so kire mu a say dru baby amufa no I fan full so when do you see that oba we pen say the open on that is one I was thinking several times I want to still she's still by you no pray it is sister then I say we as obem when we said now we come na u din kwasa sam channel what it ni nyina echi afi ono so na ni aba no ho so no so be ma na ese otumi bra wo ase na otumi ma nya kasa kire say na me pew but ebia situation na ye wo mu nti na wo be face area me ye masema na me ye masema o fele say bia na me pew no se bi sisi anu adwen e den aba me ho so eti me pese me no ye den ye ba ko me ye plan because o your sister okay once I wo pese o choose to say o ye ne dachi o pese o ne bo brand e so o ne bo ne bi chen no so ne bo ne bi chen Inti still battle ko da mame ko the next person mame ba e beto aho no so one be kata I get an that
okay mame okay me personally
yeah
I don't measure going in for oba with ahofe and I say yeah with ahofe but then
ana ahunya
yes ana ahunya so what you say because obi anim or Brempo Ashas. So sometimes all that glitters is not good. Obe say ebia ahonya na ahoto wo hoba obekọ no asundue baako say
enka ho
yeah into you say may papa be catch me say answer na obehu the caliber of oba no I just say we be na no akasa into eno so ka ho sometimes the beauty is not outside but the beauty might be inside.
Okay.
So maybe I'll go for the qualities, what is inside the person more than what is outside. Yeah. It's me personally, me view.
Obesha oba ni subain.
Yeah, ni subain.
And now they are worried.
Yes, what she's made of. Well, sometimes it's very hard.
Because sometimes obi onu mo ofifi papa mu.
Yeah.
And now no woni bibia.
Yeah.
Inti se uhu so woni bibia no ondidi watamonye ohwe kasentia
yeah
in any way
yeah.
But usa wo baako bi won chan a
yeah
aso no awiemfuo
yeah
moderate in niema bi ni ade
e bia na ne o bibi no
in way ni me no me can't so say
yeah
almost nipa no ya the same
yeah
die baako de chan baako ai bi asa ono no fie no e ho ye
yeah
what to sa first bibi samoa bibi e fix
yeah
bi samoa
yeah
who feel is your choice better. I'm not saying say the Oscar no e ahomaso na odidi watem na bibi on didi watem but then I'm going to share it to me yes selection because don't let us limit it to nkomono to say bia ahofenko and I say bia the Oscar no so and I me Oscar na ma free papa mu ade
yeah obetime fi papa mu a obu ade and all that but Ebiana ebusiano so don't accept you. So
Okay.
you go where you feel special and accepted.
Me can be an ebusiano so accept you. One say mema mutimi fa 2-3 bosso.
Yeah.
Na my imagine say mo soni mu. Nti insoniye mu no. Edien na mudi yiyi be free.
Okay.
Pacho mutie me. Because one na wonam e na oba wa akope no de within 2 months ni so ban nye ni nkomo bi nkoye ni ntro ne nieba bi eputuputu off you will drop that woman.
Yeah.
But here is the case what for mommy you know.
Okay.
When we atna 1.5 years. We share about 5 months na na bia connected to we. And I was who say hey we somewhere for hey bi wo feel then but you are on anything no. So we a nice girl moderate home. Ebi ni feel ni car but no we fair okasa ye osro nyame. O ma me pe wasem busua pe wasem ni nua mema pe wasem. Saa na oba beto Joanna. Joanna so sika wo fie.
Jesus.
Tell me right mo, Iva Joanna. Nana. Enti me say me kire say. E man mi enu nyina ho ni asem saa.
Yeah.
Both ways abusua danfo mu anwemu adwuma no na adwuma ebisa wo fie. We so o wona adwuma baby nhyeda ni fie. How do you choose?
The edikan me kan enema mi nsa megina so dia pick oba. The edikan say oye rich so oye poor. Say ne ho say ne ho nyefe. Try say oba obeyi nit. First thing. Ahon fe no de wonya na wo de ba wuntimi nya ho hwe. Ne mo wetima be so yi. Eno pa ho a. Say oba ne ye obi a obetimi de ho ato ne so. We started ni nya nkitahudi a. Uni say oye obi a betimi de ho ato ne so. Me no ne ade medical. Oba wuntimi se we obetimi de ho ato ne so. Ebra wo ho ne bra wo ni ho. Yeah, ebra wo ho ne bra wo ni ho. Obetimi de ho ato ne so. Ebu akra na enyeska but sometimes no I say asem to na obakra na wo ka wasema otimi tie. Ema otimi tapo. E kan sembi ma asem ba ko be kan no wan first come wan fa hwe ama but wo ha onyina atimi ko form wo akoma mu.
Okay.
Ena otimi nya bretie sebe de wo kan mfa kwa mu kra otu ne butie wo na won so aka bibia ma obewie na wadwe na yoki.
Okay.
Nti oba obetimi de ho ato ne so. Eye very key. Se wo hu sa de no oba mu a.
Next and second, third one.
No, I know one no.
There was do any neat.
Neat na me see both sides na whether no one for no nya feel. Good a year or say winya as the first we see.
Okay.
Na emu no oba obetimi de ho ato ne so. Eye baako. The tosu mienu de one ne share common interest. Say ase baby a wo pesa wo kɔ no. Hu ne se oni di nkomo a or support was akwan so.
Ebia wo person we your masters but on one court school.
Yes.
Or did you but or encourage you
say.
say.
So be cry of what they wo ye ne so.
Okay.
Ama oni wo di nkomo hu say oni wo di nkomo course that direction no.
We be crow to me the boa ma go to.
Oni wo common interest. Sa ho so hia pa. Say on for the wo ye so a otabu abem. On se wo nkra ma wo nko onim. Or certain resources be ontimi mpulu mfa mwa wo.
Okay.
Ebi kra onya bi mo but otimi fa phone frɛ obi catch say ko hu ni person mesi. Because says like there should be that commonness of interest.
Okay.
Etimi boa ma de mo ye no etimi ekɔ animu. Na saa no se woni sika kra na saa emoa no wo hɔ a ma wotimi epere ko wonim.
Okay.
The esato so miensa ye de wotimi ni di nkomo freely. Won hwɛ wo chi.
Omu atan.
Wotimi ni di nkomo bi asere. So wunya saa de no wo obi mu wotimi ne tenache.
Okay.
Unse obi wo ha oyo okay but we need nkomo say wunya okay.
As a restriction uso so beka bibiama.
But we wotimi ne sere wotimi like asema obeka ma we bu ofo no ka ha no. That kind of aspect. So wunya obi wotimi ne di nkomo say free about any topic bia that person wotimi ne natena.
Sister tell me kwa ni obewu oba mu a wo de be ware. Yes sana.
Una ususu
obewu say bi oyo ba but e be do baby no obo say onu kwasa na orenfo ba na.
So it means that sometimes choices no I feel is a way is the best no e bi okra monim de mu di gina so
the best
yeah me do
Metima we no
Brem.
Okay, in this instance, no, right? Also, both of them are well to do. But just a Baku was scanner Baku Niska. In this case, no, one major factor Obitima consider a health condition. Because Obi Wahonoma, my blood group cry and match here. Obitimini na abobra. Because mo checking a mobile sickle cells like a ma. What's the point? Yes. Yes, it's a health condition, so it's a major factor in this situation.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Ebusafo. Maka say we dey be kwa abonten. Ade a memma etimi som e di gina so say wei na emma me aka say emma mani abon so wi ase me no wansan nyina. Wei de besam de ka washan. Esan say yese memma sura ware. Nka no so another topic for the day. Inti no pamcho. Yen kwa abonten na de ye kan. Yen koje adwenche so free e homra. Me da ase.
Okay, for me in general, in view of point, what me I go fit talk say, if I want to marry a woman right now, what I go see for him body where I go marry and say, first it be attitude. Attitude be one thing where it count. Because I no go feel look at woman body say I dey go marry and no, the body no count. You understand? But the attitude be the major issue. Because if I marry a woman way, I follow in body way like maybe they can't give me attitude way like me, I no feel do it go worry me. Say they buy what I talk. So that be one thing where I go feel talk say, oh, this is the reason why I go feel take this woman say, oh, I won't end up my life with you. This is the idea I won't spend the rest of my life with.
Oh, but the me there na mo here obeti like my sama ebi a enko ha oba bi wo ha wo kasa kire no ntie de wo mama sumudwe na mepe and also make show no love no one thing.
So I feel like right now everyone will go in for a contractual relationship. That is, everyone will go in for a woman who they can build with, or a woman who can share, as in any basis. You go feel give ideas or even work with you, the man, to put your relationship in a better position. So as a young man coming up there, you know if you figure out everything on your own, you go need that help.
I was for backyard kitchen ye. And it be beer to me cause so I say. Which ready and no cassa and then be so and no near their day. Now ye didn't come on yet. Ya was say Tisia one thing, Tia Coy and I yaba. A quati be so ho. I was afraid the men a juma. It is a message say a bit here beja for. Omo conclusion. Na ye jeer foot so edia film. Edia my way home. But all, ye quantity say one as I say.
I mean, shall say mom.
Okay.
Nana.
I'm fair bet you.
David, dear ya. Kase ya woni oba at no ba nimbu.
No ba nimbu.
Ombu ade. Asumdi e fe na asumdi. Unya bida.
Okay. Nti no so count with.
Eno na ye the major key. Eno
oba mama asumdwe.
Oba ya oman ya asumdwe. Oba waya ade no kwa oba sade obesi ni mu akasa kra no. Wani ewu wutrim. Nti ntempa na watwe ho afi. Sa ade no, sa nipa no, what take no green light. Nti eno e ba no say pay yan konkofa sa nipa na akwa akofa.
Nti you respect o. No e kwadwofo kra. Otunufo na untie na so.
Ana mande no kra me ya jini kasa.
Oh mangasa. Angasa.
Be me bi wo ho a obekwa kofo ba.
Oh.
Ana wo effect kwa.
She respect.
Oba no twiti ne ha o se no oba no jinjin no ngu ne so a. It was on one of them is so
fair.
Yes.
So no baby so the more effect na e bi onye kokot says our ban.
Nana mo it's not about kokot matter.
Sister me madam could be on. Say if I don't only area out there you know brother be bad go be we. Negation or be bad dem no. O go so window e say be bad jo. Oh na. Say na na say
Sir,
me say o jump manage say
edi entra oba no efe and I will pen up
Ebi mo so ni confidence.
Okay, but
I said me ba jo we a o dey ma dey bre me na me ba dey go vie wa bra ba.
That dey chi no ba nsa ko esa so be sa ko wa ko.
Oh, be kwa ko su akojina bi.
And the osu ala.
Intimate. What worry for over 20 years? Who experience pa? Emma wom akwantu ya bem minim ne asie. Ame man kra bi efri mu ene ade. mako up and down pa a dear pa na obetumi dia ma young person or person why is say
ma omo rushing ma our reigning be on kind first.
okay
Yeah, omo try somebody build it or relationship to say obi ni nua say we bone a obetumi the bone a chelo.
okay
No man nanti ye no mo hu ye.
okay
Say sister only obi na now ni weakness a ujira ho. Say tama wadu ni weak point no. Wo aso ba no be jira man. Ana so be ma no so na no ni weak point a. Edu ba bia wa be mabu a be ma no so ni say ha. Ma we ya me yere ebe ti ahwenti obema no so ejire mu ema o so mo mienu mu num nesa sister e ade bia even though abrabonye perfect nti mo balance no
okay
se entokwa bakro a mo mienu mu num ho nti mo num se na emo mo tumi ka no ade bia memene se bi leyere enya asem a ye fro panin be kan na asem ma yenda obi be kan ye mienu asem na yenya ntokwa ye ho ne ye ho ya aka be 1 week a my friend Pagosi, I know my name Cassana, I say my friend, the friend and say on father, Daddy, we too, sometimes you talk too much. So, no one Cassanana, it will say, if what to our best and you may know, it was a friend, after the lefa.
that was that first year
Yeah. Deɛ mekae no sɛ bɛrima wobɛsettew sɛ wo ne ɔbaa bɛtena hunu sɛ wobɛtumi de wo ho ato ne so mesi hɔ bi deɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu munya ayɔnkofa because sɛdeɛ ɔkaeɛ no ɛstate sɛ ɛrekɔ n'anim a ɛbɛte ahwe ɛbɛsɔre ɛbɛte ahwe ɛbɛsɔre mutumi di mo ho nkɔmmɔ no ɛna ɛbɛboa wo tam apaba mabaa mo so ɔyɛ obi a tumi de wo ho to ne so a ɛna asɛm ba wo gyidie sɛ wobɛtumi ne natena se aka ma na yɛyi
okay
na wotɔfo ma wobɛtumi asɔ wo mu ama wasɔ ɛne na maa mede deɛ wobɛtumi de wo ho ato no so no baa mu
echusu Evelyn
adi nkɔmmɔ aba mu sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a asɛm si a
echusu Evelyn no
mo nkɔmmɔdie mu ɛna mode bɛsɔ mo problem na wotumi de wo ho to no so ɛna bɛma wotɔfo ma wobɛtumi asɔ wo mu ama wasɔ saa ne ma no mmienu ɛhia paa
ehia pa geda o ngare yo wona mkwam
Me worry, but your relationship, you've been through relationships. Me feel say before you get into marriage, no, I was say when you have priorities. Obi wo honoma like me to me who say almost think say normal say we do age bia. I was say only about say you have to rush to be in a relationship, and we have to take the correct decisions in order to make a good choice. Men can say perfect.
ebi ni the correct decision no na ne ebesi hu dia
Correct decision no ne say to say na say ka respect me bra penin so akeka oni okele with omo experiences omo are going through no. I think say me ne omo ye adwene ade ade.
nti se honhom no oni pesu no eji ni pa bi tumu
yes
o feel say
yes and health wise no so health wise no so very important because I'm up to me train na ombe ho na oma ware awo a onim ne blood group po oni ne wife ni na omo nim so and also very important pa I was say yetimi hwe in order to prevent any omabi
e wa ware ye mu na relationship
yeah
Nana, last word please
Last word I can chat to I.
dia wo behwe na wo dia select ya ware
Na me dia select ya ware I respect.
oh
Me hona na mjina. Upeja wata ba nse kuku kwa. Wo ko papa.
not just a wabo
Just say obu kura na say oye said the odwamanfo a
Oba ntumi mbu wa bro be odwamanfo.
yeah that one there
So oba bu a even okoya ade bi kwa na wo do ehwe se.
so ma wa na say obu kura pensa.
Ebu no jina saa ne ma nyina so.
Oba mbu onu maduane unu ma mbu ade omu no maduane ma. And my baby,
o ba se so obu no onim ya betumi a kire se oba no nim ye na so oba no odo na wo feel se wo so odo no se wo be fa no se yire a aduane no a oba ne ni abre se obedo asom no kan katenkwan ain't taking more than 1 week to keep doing or a month to say now what you be over trying a hand on it Don't you be over China and tis a bearman or nim. Now ya wear no quantity, over so my grand sketching. A being cat a quan would do about when be. I'm a only na ya 1, 2, 3, 4th one no. Obey your mount. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 10th no. I qualify. And I will say, why are we move with that? Entity apa? Or the cat you will come. I should get to
no monsieur aka.
I got them while I actually want to. Oh, the Nipan Vigidi say, Obu no door, no idea to say, why can't choose a onim yeno? Into also done into betchen, what them for say a manageable. Yeah. All right. And Madame Wase said the Uncomona question foot two. Ya fair frinko mo way mono. Vigidi say, you be brave pa. Also, when you been no backyard kitchen.
Aha, na komo.
Hey, get out. Get out. When you down. Okay.
Yeah.
Asa. I know.
Yeah, sister. Yendo your home more. Yendo your home.
And yet, chin.
And a dear be quite mean. I think so. Do ewa one day chin time. It's me and your home more.
Inti. Odon kwan ne bremo na me bisa se wa wo hwe enso no wo experience and saying what was the way and I said and yema hu ya wo de select wo yire and our partner on it was here. Please share with us in our comment section. We'll be reading it and we'll be thanking you. Again, we'll take your advice. Probably your story will give us another episode. Thank you so much for watching Backyard Kitchen on McBrown's Kitchen.
Wow, na komo.
Wow,
Thank you.
Mani kumo mi ankoda.